Vocabulary, Unit 5, Lesson 1. Listen and repeat the main vocabulary. Jobs in ancient Egypt. Fisherman.
Fisherman.
Farmer.
Farmer.
Hieroglyphs.
Hieroglyphs.
Ancient Egyptians.
Ancient Egyptians.
Scribe.
Scribe.
Craftsman.
Craftsman.
Trader.
Trader.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Baker.
Baker.
Skillful.
Skillful.
Successful.
Successful.
Economy.
Economy.
Ancient Egypt.
Ancient Egypt.
Pharaohs.
Pharaohs.
Queen Hatshepsut.
Queen Hatshepsut. Extra vocabulary.
Weave.
Weave.
Fields.
Fields.
Cooking pots.
Cooking pots.
Grains.
Grains.
Clay.
Clay.
Corn.
Corn.
Paintings.
Paintings.
Wheat.
Wheat.
Sculptures.
Sculptures.
Flax.
Flax.
Linen.
Linen.
Gold jewelry.
Gold jewelry.
Medical school.
Medical school.
At home.
At home.
Respect.
Respect.
Community.
Community. Conjugation of verbs. Regular verbs. Present. Past.
Respect.
Respected.
Weave.
Weaved.
Plant.
Planted.
Learn.
Learned.
Want.
Wanted.
Work.
Worked.
Irregular verbs. Present. Past.
Grow.
Grew.
Take care of.
Took care of.
Make.
Made.
Spend.
Spent.
Read.
Read.
Buy.
Bought.
Write down.
Wrote down.
Send.
Sent.
You are excellent. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Goodbye.